What if you could send money anywhere in the world without a bank, without permission, and without needing a physical banknote? That idea is Bitcoin. Here's what makes Bitcoin extraordinary: its supply is designed to be limited to 21 million coins. But who created it, and how does it actually work? Bitcoin is a digital form of money that operates on a computer network. Unlike traditional currency, it isn't controlled by one central bank or government. Traditional money depends heavily on financial institutions. Bitcoin uses a decentralized network, meaning thousands of computers help maintain and verify the system. These participating computers are called nodes. Together, they maintain a shared record of Bitcoin transactions and help keep the network running. Bitcoin appeared in 2009 under the name Satoshi Nakamoto. Satoshi's real identity remains unknown, making Bitcoin's origin one of technology's biggest mysteries. In 2008, Satoshi published the Bitcoin White Paper. It described a system for electronic payments that could work without relying on a central financial authority. When someone sends Bitcoin, the transaction is broadcast to the network. Computers receive the information and work to verify that the transaction is legitimate. A Bitcoin transaction records important information, including where the coins are being sent and the cryptographic signatures proving the sender is authorized. Verified transactions are grouped together into blocks. These blocks are then connected in chronological order, creating what we call the blockchain. The blockchain is essentially a shared public record of Bitcoin transactions. Copies of this record are maintained across many computers around the world. Because many computers maintain copies of the record, secretly changing one copy would not simply rewrite the entire Bitcoin network. Each block is cryptographically connected to the previous one. This structure makes unauthorized changes extremely difficult and helps protect the history of transactions. Bitcoin uses a process called mining to secure its network. Specialized computers compete to solve difficult mathematical problems and add new blocks. Mining requires powerful computers and significant electricity. Miners compete to find a valid solution, helping secure transactions and maintain the blockchain. When a miner successfully adds a block, the network recognizes the new block. The miner can receive Bitcoin rewards and transaction fees under Bitcoin's rules. Bitcoin has a programmed maximum supply of 21 million coins. Unlike currencies that can have their supply expanded, Bitcoin's issuance follows predetermined rules. New Bitcoin enters circulation through mining rewards. Over time, those rewards are reduced according to Bitcoin's programmed issuance schedule. This reduction is known as the Bitcoin halving. Approximately every 210,000 blocks, the mining reward is cut in half. To use Bitcoin, people generally use wallets. A wallet helps manage the cryptographic information needed to receive, send, and control Bitcoin. Bitcoin wallets can take different forms, including mobile apps, computers, hardware devices, and other systems designed to protect access to your funds. Bitcoin relies on cryptographic keys. Your public information can help others send Bitcoin, while your private key proves control over your funds. Protecting private keys or recovery information is critical. If someone obtains them, they may be able to control the Bitcoin associated with them. Bitcoin can be sent across borders using a Bitcoin address. The transaction travels through the network rather than depending on a traditional bank transfer. Once broadcast, a transaction waits to be included in a block. Confirmations provide increasing evidence that the transaction has been accepted by the network. People use Bitcoin for different reasons. Some value its global accessibility, some see it as an alternative asset, and others are interested in the technology. Bitcoin supporters often describe it as money that can operate independently of traditional financial institutions, while critics question whether it can serve everyday payments. Bitcoin is also famous for volatility. Its market price can rise or fall dramatically, sometimes within short periods, making it a high-risk asset. Bitcoin's network itself is designed with strong cryptographic security, but users can still lose money through scams, stolen keys, hacked services, or simple mistakes. One major danger is fraud. Scammers may promise guaranteed profits, fake giveaways, or urgent investments. Bitcoin itself does not guarantee returns. Never share private keys or recovery phrases. Be especially cautious of anyone demanding Bitcoin urgently or promising guaranteed profits. Traditional currencies are issued and managed through governments and central banking systems. Bitcoin operates according to software rules maintained by its decentralized network. With traditional banking, institutions can process payments and maintain accounts. Bitcoin instead uses cryptography, network consensus, and blockchain technology. Bitcoin also has limitations. Its base network has finite transaction capacity, and users can sometimes face delays or higher fees when demand increases. Bitcoin mining also consumes substantial electricity. This has created ongoing debate about energy use, environmental impact, and the sources of mining power. The future of Bitcoin is uncertain. It could become more integrated into finance, remain a specialized asset, or face new competition and regulation. Governments around the world have taken different approaches to Bitcoin. Regulations, taxation, financial rules, and legal treatment can vary significantly between countries. Regardless of its future price, Bitcoin introduced a powerful idea: digital value could be transferred using a decentralized network without a central operator. So, Bitcoin is more than a digital coin. It combines cryptography, decentralized computing, mining, and blockchain technology to create a new kind of digital money. Whether Bitcoin becomes the future of money or simply an important chapter in financial history, one thing is certain: it changed how the world thinks about digital value.